boy FlyJV and I'm back with another video. Now in today's video, I will be showing you my airline pilot morning routine home edition. Now in no way, shape or form am I saying that every airline pilot does this or that every airline pilot should do this, but me personally, it works for me, and if it works for me, it can work for you. So I'm going to give you my step-by-step morning routine to basically hit the ground running when you're done with your morning routine and just be ready to be productive throughout the day, whether or not you have a flight. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you need to do when you start your morning is to make your bed. The reason why it's so important to make your bed is because it's the first step towards achievement in your day. So let's get into it, man. Let's get this bed done, bro. Take your feet. Okay, done. Alright, now step 2. Before I take my shower, I will do a little workout that will just get my blood flowing and just is good for my knees, for my chest, everything. I'm going to do a first set of most likely 20 push-ups. Then I'll do 2 more sets after that of 10 push-ups, but I will alter in between with some squats, which are good for my knees. It's not even really for the muscles, it's really just like for the knees and mobility. So it's a good habit to have. For me, it's good, so I recommend you do that. So first set. That's the first set of 20 push-ups. Now let's go with 10 squats. Let's get it. So I do it slowly. Do it slowly because it's mainly for the knees and for the health of your articulations and stuff. So do the first set slowly, don't need to rush. And when you start getting ready, you can start going a little bit faster. Make sure you breathe during the movement. Alright, now continue with 10 more push-ups. Alright, 10 squats. Take 30 seconds break. If you feel like you can continue directly, just continue directly. I'm just catching my breath a little bit. Alright, let's get it. 10 more push-ups. Last set of 10 squats. Let's go. That's it. Now it's time to go get that shower. Let's move on to the breakfast phase. Alright, so I just took my shower. I suggest you take a cold shower if you can, because there's a lot of benefits that I will be listing right here. So, cold shower, pro tip, the workout we just did now, that heats up your body, so your body temperature is high, so it makes the cold shower a lot easier. So keep that in mind. Alright guys, so follow me into the kitchen for the next step, breakfast. So what you need for this is oatmeal, okay, Greek yogurt, banana, strawberries if you want to do it like me. So you can use other fruits, but that's what I use. So first things first, take about a quarter water bottle of a small bottle, 500 milliliters. Pour it inside the pot. Put the fire on high. It's not a lot of water, so it's gonna boil quickly. Cover it, and you wait for it to start boiling. All right, eggs. Get them proteins. Olive oil, that's what I use. Get these eggs. I use 4 eggs. So put the fire on high. Put a little bit, just a little bit. You can just put like the bottle cap. Fill it like this. That's enough. That's most likely gonna be enough. If it's not enough, you can add it a little bit. So sit. Wait for this to go. Look at the fire, bro. See, the water's boiling, so we're gonna get one of these packets, one of these oatmeal packs. We're gonna pour it in. Get your spoon. Let it cook for about a minute or 2. Alright, so that's enough. That's enough for now, so you can just like turn this off and let it simmer down on its own. And check the oil for the eggs. We're gonna do omelet. Let's go for an omelet. So I'm gonna put the fire to medium here. I'm gonna put it to 6 actually. Get the bowl. Break your egg. 1 egg. You want to get that protein. I usually do 3 or 4 eggs, so let's get it. 2 eggs. Bang. Bang. And that was like a twin, Siamese twin, bro. More protein, bro. I'm sorry. We're gonna do what we gotta do. Get some of that salt, my guy. Okay, and then now that you've done this, okay, now we can go ahead. And then now we're going to do, take the oatmeal, okay, and put it in the bowl. Take that, take the oatmeal, and just put it here. Now it's time to flip that Bro, get ready. You ready for this? Okay. Okay. Alright, now we can let that cook. And now it's time for the oatmeal. So you take a banana. Okay. Bang. Okay, just cut the banana in slices like these. Bang, 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 bang. Boom. Alright. Good. Now all you do, put that in here. You get one banana. Let's get the strawberry. This half like this inside here. Oh, let's get it. Alright, we're done with this. Bang, bang. Okay, now we got the strawberry and the banana. I'm just gonna put some Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is good because it's a lot of protein per serving. So I'm going to put 3 spoonfuls of these. Bang. Okay, this is the bowl of life. Right. Alright, now, last but not least, the coffee. I always take coffee usually in the morning because with that energy. I use Nescafe. Water in. And water. Now that the coffee is heating up, I'm going to use that time to wash dishes a little bit. Try to be as productive as possible. Alright, so coffee ready. 2 cubes of sugar. If you can get some brown sugar, get some. I didn't have any brown sugar where I went to buy it, so that's why I'm using that, but brown sugar is a lot better. Brown sugar. So now we got the Holy Trinity. Got the bowl of oatmeal. It's the only. Got the eggs. Got the coffee. You get the coffee. And now we're good, man. Let's get it. Bro, it's good. Get it on this, bro. Alright, so morning routine done. You did the workout, had a shower, brushed your teeth, I hope. Now we got the oatmeal eaten, eggs eaten, coffee consumed. It's time to hit the day, get going. Not wasting time. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope that helps you. I hope it was of value to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and join the FlyJV Discord. Now without further ado, I got some things I got to do. See you in the next video. Peace. FlyJV forever.